Namaste, what's up and welcome you guys to another video. I'm Nidhi. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment, go ahead and subscribe to join the trend fam. In today's video, I'm gonna go full face, affordable and gonna be going a glam. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you do, then you know the jazz. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started. So starting off with my base, I'm starting with the Blue Heaven primer. This is the silicone based primer and I'm going to be priming with this today. I've almost used all of it, so you know it is really good. Next for my brows today, I'm going to be using the beige Roll-in Bridge Eyebrow Pencil. This is in the shade brown. Sorry, I cannot show to you the packaging because everything is just rubbed off. But this is the shade brown and I'm going to do my eyebrows with this. So my brows are done. I'm going to be cleaning it with the beige liquid concealer, and this is in the shade Dark and White Chocolate Pretzel. Basically a highlighting shade for my skin tone. Next for eyeshadow today, I'm using the most loved palette. This is the WetNWild eyeshadow palette in the shade Rosé in the Air. A beautiful palette with everyday nudes, pop of color and a really beautiful highlight. Using the Blue Heaven UHD powder. This is basically a translucent powder and I'm going to be setting my concealer base with this. For my eyeshadow, I'm going in with this lilac shade first. And then blending that shade with this transition one. Again, just intensifying that lilac shade. Taking this pink color and putting it in my inner corners. I'm feeling a bit pink today, so for my liner I'm going in with the Blue Heaven matte eyeliner. This is in the shade 6. So as I've already primed, next for foundation I'm going in with a Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 322 Warm Honey. Up next for concealing, I'm using the beige liquid concealers. One is a highlighting shade and one is a skin tone match. Contour over there, I'm using the beige cream contour stick. set this face, I'm using Sapphire Loose Powder from Blue Heaven. Next up for bronzing, I'm taking this contouring palette and taking the warm brown color. Next up for blush, I'm going in with the WetNWild Color Icon blush. To highlight my face, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. Then for my lower lashes, I'm mixing both of these shades and then blending them out. And then taking this champagne pop and adding it in my inner corners. Then I'm adding the Lash Sensational Mascara to my lashes. Next for my lips, I'm going to be mixing two of my favorite shades. One is 55 and the other one is 58. These are from a Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creme range. So let's mix and match. So this was the shade 55. I'm going to mix in 58, which is a more brown. These two shades after mixing give a deadly combination. You see how beautiful this color looks in itself. So yeah, that was the lipstick part. Then to set this entire face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. I have a really fine mist, so yes, let's go. That's it. That was a wrap for today's full face of affordable makeup. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you want any of these products, do let me know in the comments what do you feel about them. So we will meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.